Hi there. I wanted to talk to you about dry cleaning. I recently had a client tell me that she had some alarming blood work come back. A chemical showed up in her bloodstream and it was from dry cleaning. So the doctor advised her to, obviously tone that down, but also to go to a dry cleaner that focuses on, eco-friendly dry cleaning. So I think there are a couple things that we can do. First is just do fewer pieces of dry cleaning, do as little as possible. And that means when you're buying certain pieces of clothing, think, is this a garment that I really want to dry clean or whatnot? Also, it's so terribly expensive to have to dry clean all the time. But there are certain things like suits and so on. Seems like dry cleaning is pretty much the only way, right? So buy less dry cleaning. Secondarily, use a eco-friendly dry cleaning service. Third of all, I think it's important that you all remember to remove the plastic covering as soon as you get the stuff home, and first of all, take them off those hideous wire hangers, which you can return to a dry cleaner. They will reuse them, recycle them, so that's good as well, and appreciated, I'm sure. If you have a place where you can air out your newly returned dry cleaning, maybe you have a porch or something that's where the clothes are protected and so forth, but even if you can do it for a little bit, that'll help dissipate the chemicals that are on the clothes, because remember, they're going to go straight onto your skin and you will start to take it in. So buy things that are less dry cleaning, require fewer trips to the dry cleaner. Dry clean things less often as well. Oftentimes, I think people just have a knee-jerk reaction to dry cleaning. I wore it once, it needs to go back. Well, take a close look. Let it air out a little bit. It might not need it straight away. Certainly there will be things that need to be dry cleaned right away if they've been sweat through and things like that. But perhaps you can do a delicate hand washing on certain things, that you heretofore were saying, oh, I can only bring that to the dry cleaner. People don't say heretofore enough anymore, do they? I think that's something that's really important to bear in mind, and because it's silly to get sick over clothing. That makes no sense at all to me. So take care of yourselves, minimize your dry cleaning, go to an eco-friendly dry cleaner, and let things air out and remove the plastics straight away. Okay, bye.